Tesla's full self-driving, FSD, is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in transportation. With each software update, Tesla's AI is learning, adapting, and pushing us closer to a world where human drivers are no longer needed. But what does this mean for car owners, businesses, and even entire cities? In this video, we explore how Tesla's AI is rewriting the rules of driving and what the future of autonomous mobility looks like. The rise of Tesla's full self-driving Tesla's FSD beta has gone from a basic driver assist system to an AI capable of handling complex urban environments. Unlike traditional automakers, Tesla is training its self-driving AI using 1. Neural networks, learning from real-world driving data collected from millions of Tesla vehicles. 2. Dojo supercomputer, Tesla's cutting-edge AI training system that improves driving decisions. 3. Vision-based AI, unlike competitors relying on LiDAR, Tesla uses a camera-only approach for superior adaptability. This AI-driven evolution means human intervention is becoming less necessary with every update. How Tesla FSD will disrupt the auto industry. Tesla's approach to AI-driven automation is set to disrupt the automotive industry like never before. 1. Car ownership could decline. Oncoming car. If FSD makes ride-sharing cheaper than car ownership, fewer people will buy cars. 2. Traditional automakers are falling behind. Hourglass. Ford, GM, and Toyota are struggling to compete with Tesla's AI-first strategy. 3. Electric plus AI equals the future. High-voltage. Tesla's combination of EVs and AI-driven autonomy is a game-changer that old automakers are struggling to replicate. This shift could reshape the car industry as we know it. Tesla's impact on Uber, Lyft, and ride-sharing. Oncoming taxi. Tesla's AI-powered vehicles could completely eliminate human drivers from ride-sharing apps like Uber and Lyft. Imagine a future where 1. Tesla Robotaxis replace Uber drivers. FSD-enabled Teslas could operate 24/7, cutting labor costs. 2. Rides become 50% cheaper. No drivers mean no wages, making self-driving ride-shares far more affordable than traditional taxis. 3. Millions of driving jobs disappear. The gig economy could see massive disruption, forcing workers to adapt or find new roles. Tesla's Robotaxi fleet could completely undercut human-driven ride-sharing, leading to one of the biggest job shifts in history. Tesla's AI-powered smart cities. City at dusk. Tesla's FSD won't just impact cars, it could reshape urban infrastructure. 1. Traffic congestion. Reduced traffic lights. AI-driven cars optimize road flow, cutting commute times. 2. Fewer parking lots. Autonomous cars drop off passengers and keep moving, reducing the need for massive parking areas. 3. Better road safety. Hospital. With AI making split-second decisions, accidents could drop dramatically. Self-driving technology isn't just about convenience, it's about designing smarter, more efficient cities. The challenges Tesla FSD still faces. While Tesla's AI is impressive, there are still major hurdles to overcome before full adoption. Warning: regulatory issues. Governments are still struggling to approve FSD for full autonomy. Warning: public trust. Will people feel safe in a car without a human driver? Warning: ethical dilemmas. How should AI prioritize safety in accident scenarios? Warning: cybersecurity risks. Could self-driving Teslas be hacked or remotely controlled? These challenges must be addressed before Tesla's FSD can reach full market acceptance. Final thoughts. Is Tesla's AI the future of transportation? Tesla's AI-driven future is inevitable, but are we ready for a world without human drivers? 1. Will Tesla's FSD be the greatest innovation in transportation? 1. Rocket. 2. Or will it lead to major job losses and ethical concerns? 2. Warning: let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Byte-Sized AI for more deep dives into AI, automation, and the future of technology. Car robot.